Hello guys, myself Chaitali and you are watching Dear Coders. In this video, you will learn about heading and paragraph tags of HTML. So let's begin. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that we want to display on the web page. So they are starts from the H1 and it will end up to the H6. Then about the paragraph tags, they are usually the block of text and they are always starting on the new line and they are denoted by the P tag. So we will see about these tags, we will write the code and we'll see how they will look on the web page. So we'll go to the code. So this structure you have seen in the last video. So now we will try to add the more heading tags. So this is the h2. When we will write the start the h2 tag, we have to end that h2 tag. So we will just write the heading 2 and we'll copy paste and update those tag names. So this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll update the content also. Okay, now we'll save our file and we'll see how they will look on the web page. So this is the h1 tag which defines it is the most important heading of the web page. Then h2, h3 we are seeing like they are becoming smaller in the text size, and the last is heading 6. So h1 defines the most important heading and h6 defines the least important heading. So each HTML heading has the default size, but we can also specify the size using the style attribute. So we'll now see that. So let's take the example of the h1. We have to end that. Okay. So now here in the start tag we can add the style attribute. So this is the syntax, and here we can write the font size. So font size will be, suppose let's take example 60 pixel. So we'll save our file and we'll see on the front page. So this was the normal heading with the default size, but as we have added the external font size, this will look like bigger. Whatever size we can mention, we have mentioned there, that will be visible on the front end. So this was about the headings. Then we'll go now see the paragraph tags. So here we will write one paragraph tag. Okay, so we'll save the file and we'll see. So this paragraph tag is having also its default size. So this is how it will look. If we add one more paragraph tag, now here we will try to add the spaces between the words and we'll see what will be the effect on the front end. So like this we have added some spaces. Okay, so we have to close this tag. Okay, Now we'll save our file and we'll see how it looks on the front end. We'll refresh the page. So if you can see here, like if we have added the spaces, but that spaces are not visible on the front end. So, and also here you have noticed that this paragraph is started on the new line. So the paragraph tags will be started in the on the new line, and like here we have seen the like issue, like the spaces are not visible on the front end. So this we can handle using the pre element. So if we bind this particular content with having the spaces in the pre tag, so we will close this pre tag and now we'll save our file and we'll see on the front end. So if we refresh the page, that spaces are retained with the pre tag. So if we have, suppose let's say add poem on the website or anything with the line breaks and spaces, then we can make use of this pre tag. So that here that will be useful for this particular cases. So yeah, that's what about the headings and the paragraphs. So you can try adding the more tags in the HTML document at yourself, and you can see the on the web page how it looks. So we'll catch up in the next video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.